Most people think retirement investing means picking random stocks and hoping for the best. But the smartest investors do something very different. They build a retirement stock list, one strong company from each sector designed to grow and protect wealth over decades. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build your own step by step. The market moves in cycles. Some sectors outperform while others lag, and then they rotate. If all your money is in one sector, your retirement is exposed. Think of it like this. You're not betting on one horse. You're building an entire stable. Here are the key sectors every retirement list should cover once. Now, 2. Healthcare, aging population, and stability. 3. Financials, interest rates, and economic growth. 4. Consumer staples, recession resistance. 5. Consumer discretionary, economic expansion. 6. Industrials, infrastructure, and manufacturing. 7. Energy inflation, hedge. 8. Utilities, defensive income. 9. Real estate, RREITs. Cash flow and inflation, protection. Materials, global growth, and commodities. You don't need dozens of stocks. One strong leader per sector is enough. This is where most people mess up. For retirement stocks, you want companies with consistent revenue growth, strong free cash flow, competitive advantage, the moat, solid balance sheet, long-term demand. Ask yourself, will this company still be dominant 10 to 20 years, 10, 20 years from now? If the answer is unclear, it doesn't belong on your retirement list. Here's what a sample retirement list might look like. Not recommendations. Tech, a market-leading platform company. Healthcare, a global pharmaceutical or medical device leader. Financials, a well-capitalized bank or asset manager. Staples, a dividend-paying consumer brand. Energy, a major integrated energy company. Utilities, a stable dividend utility. REIT, a high-quality real estate operator. The goal isn't fast money, it's steady compounding. Once your list is built, review it quarterly, rebalance once or twice a year, add during market pullbacks, avoid emotional decisions. Remember, retirement wealth is built by discipline, patience, and consistency. If you build your retirement list correctly, you won't need to constantly trade or stress the market. Comment below. Which sector do you think is most important for long-term investing? And if you want help building your own retirement stock list, check out the free resources below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.